What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw a large curve for the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up across the center and then bend that down towards the right. Now let's move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, start with a curve coming down the middle and then back up. Now I want to curl this around the side. So on the left side, bend this around and then down. Now let's draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to step up to create a fold, come down, up, and then in underneath the top of the mouth. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Coming down, up, and then bend that in. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the lower lip. We're going to go up and then down. Now let's separate the teeth. On the top left side, we're going to bend this down and then in, going about halfway. Now we tuck the bottom row underneath. So we're going to step out, curve this up, and then in towards the side. Let's fill the corners of the mouth in black. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the eyes. Let's leave a gap in the center. We're going to start on the left. We're going to draw the fold for the brow, coming in and then up, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's go back over towards the left. We're going to draw the top of the eyelid. We're going to go up, round this out, and then come down. Let's push the bottom of the eye up, going around the cheeks. So starting on the left, we're going to go up, go around the corner of the mouth, and then we're going to bend that in to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're just going to line this up, going up, going around the mouth, and then bending that in. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to add a bump, coming down the chin, going across, and then back up. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the outside of the eyes. We're going to step up, curve this around, and then in on top of the cheeks. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So on the top left, we're going to draw a circle, going around, and then in. Let's go to the top of the pupils, draw a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. And we want to go around those highlights. Now we're going to add a thick brow across the top of the eyes. Let's start on the top left. We're going to bend this up above the eyes, come in. Now let's bend this down along the inside, just aiming towards this point. We'll do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height, go around, and then down towards the side. Let's go in between the brow and add a curve for the edge of the mask. Let's go out towards the side of the cheeks and draw some folds around the mask, starting on the left, going out, and bend that in, and we'll line that up on the right side. Now we're going to move up, add another fold. We're going to go up, and just tuck this in towards the side of the brow. Now we're going to draw the top of the head going in behind the mask. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this up, go across the middle, and then bend that down towards the right side. Let's tie the mask off on the right side. So we start right here, bend this up and out, and then curl that up towards a point. Come down across the bottom, and then pull that in towards the side of the mask. Let's add another one across the top. So we start right here, bend this around, go up towards a point, and then we'll tuck this in behind. Let's add two folds along the center, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.